Before, after. Ding.
Next.
Well, measurement.
Okay. Do you want to be crossed on the door?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. It's 11. I'm gonna do 10. 10 gotta go up.
Okay, you want?
Yeah, 11.
We could try to put a line.
Can you give me a pen,
Line
please?
game. Yes, there goes the pen. Yes, boss. There you go, boss. Oh. Okay.
No, Natalie.
Okay, sorry. Let's try this one.
Oh.
What happened? I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry, daughter. Okay, sorry, daughter.
One here. One. It was 11, yeah. One here, one there. Yeah, okay.
Well, you have to measure this one so that your mark be how far the nails go.
No, it's like 25.
25?
I just put the between.
25 be
yeah,
18.
This to mark is 17.
17
like
is good.
25 is gonna be here. I just put it in the middle.
Okay, you want a hammer?
Yes, please.
Okay, how about nails? Is that
Nails
enough?
or needle?
Nails. Okay.
That's a needle.
Okay. Okay. Never mind a pen. Cool. Don't swallow that.
What, girl?
Ding, ding, ding. Come on in.
Ow!
Ow.
Just kidding.
Okay. Okay, number 2. Nobody home.
Nobody home.
So you gotta measure first.
Okay.
Then.
Right here.
All right, thank you. Never.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay. Let me back.
Good job.